Rapid prototyping is a big part of what we do for Whirlpool. We bring designers' ideas to life so that they can actually have a part in their hand for fit and function. 85% of everything we do is 3D printed.
This is a typical FDM part for us at Whirlpool. This was actually printed on the 770. It has small features that were captured very nicely. I was able to fit 2 of these in one build. At Whirlpool, we print a lot of housings and a lot of big parts. The nice thing, the large bed, we can fit those without cutting and gluing. You can put a big part in a big machine, but you can't put it in a small machine. It's a great benefit.
For us at Whirlpool, I can't imagine not having 3D printing. We've been using Stratasys machines for over 20 years. I'm definitely a fan of Stratasys.
When I start a print for the day, I know in the morning I'm going to have success. Very reliable, dependable equipment.